Hello, friends. We are going to start a new topic of regarding strategic management. I know everyone will learn about the strategic management, right? So everyone knows about the important scope and all. So I want to touch the basics, but it's really different, and it's gonna help you guys to read. Not only to read. In my slides, you're gonna see everything like regarding the examples and case studies. So not further delay, so let's start about the introduction of strategic management. I have created somewhat different, and coming to this strategic management, what I have done regarding PPT, I mostly follow A. Thomas, A. Thompson, Margaret, John E. Gamble. So A.K. Jain is the author which I follow. The name of the book is Crafting and Executing Strategy. So from the some of the topics are taken from this book itself. So coming to this strategic management, what is it mainly tells about the competitors. Okay, strategy is an future. It mainly explains about the future direction. Strategy only shows about the direction. It's not only about the direction, but it also tells about how to gain the competitive advantage and all, right? So all such kind of things and terms you can be seen in these slides. Okay, so at first, what is strategy? So if you guys know, please keep in like comment section and all. So let me know what you're thinking. It's like a kind of assignment. So let me explain in detail. Almost all the organizations, like even whether it is profit, non-profit organization, or any kind of organization like private, government, public sector, or any kind of organization or company or private limited companies, like any type, they want to sustain in competitive world or in the competitive kind of market. So the here in this book will tells like three situations, like what is our present situation, like what is our current situation. For example, if you have taken the manager. Okay, manager will analyze about the company in different sectors, like what the R&D is doing, what is the current situation. For example, if there is an company which is manufacturing especially some kind of thermal power plant. So in thermal power plant, what is the quality control part is doing. Whether if there is a less quality, then where do we want to go from here? Like if there is less quality, they want to go produce high quality. How to gain the high quality of product, like output. If you don't understand about power plant, let's take a small product like books and all. If they are producing less quality or quantity. Okay, we are talking about quality, right? So we let's take about less quality. They want to increase like more quantity or quality. If they want to increase the quality, where do we want to go from here? Like they need to take some kind of strategy from there. You understand, right? How do we going to get there? In order to reach that level of quality, what they want to do, whether they have to increase the quality of the material input, or whether they have to do some kind of research by using R&D department, and maintenance and machinery departments can also handle by helping with the R&D. So these are the outcomes how they can do. This is all depends upon the handling of the employees by the manager. So this is how the clear picture of strategic management goes. When coming to next slide, okay, key points. So these are the key points which I noted for personally. How to compete rivals. In order, see, everyone wants to compete with their rivals by using different kinds of strategies. Some may use cost effective strategy, some may use differentiative strategy, some may use best to cost provider strategy. There are different strategies. We are going to talk later. Don't worry. How to respond to the changing economic and changing market conditions. Yeah, Obviously, everyone wants to sustain in this world, right? If a person kept some kind of company, everyone needs to sustain in this world. So, for this, there are different kinds of market conditions at present. Yeah, everyone knows like COVID situation, how they are changing the company's strategies and all. That we are going to deal with later because we don't know the basics, right? So, first we need to learn about the basics. I'll post that also, guys, so don't worry, you can learn very well. So next, how to manage each functional piece of business. Like functional piece, do you have any idea about the department? Do you know departments? Obviously, right? So there are different types of departments like R&D department, financial department, and maintenance department, accounts department, and HR department. See, every department has their own targets, and every we need to manage. And do you remember that in human resources? See, I'll also relate the other subjects also. There are some kind of human resources, especially with this human term called human resources. In human resources, without using of people, what it tells, like without using of people you can't do some works, right? So human is an compulsory part, so that you need to take the in resources, all the human resources. I mean, you have to, you are one of the source. Our resources is human, right? By using all these kinds of functional pieces, by managing all those people also, you can take the advantage in competitive. How? See, employees will work for some kind of compensation. If those employees work effectively, then your product in output will be going to be quality, obviously, right? And for example, if you take an delivery man, if it's like Ola, Uber are the best examples. Without the humans, the machine can't do that, right? So in this way, you can add value to the customers, and this is how you can reduce the price of the product and increase the quality of your input outcome, like in the form of the profit. This turn in the form of the profits. Okay, how to improve the company's financial and market performance. When company's financial and market performance, as I said, you can add just like customers value. Okay, how you going to add the customers value? By just adding some kind of this thing, like guys, if you know the company's financial market performance improve, so first thing you comes to mind is providing the customers value. There is not only involve customers value, but there are something beyond that, like quality, quantity, and other positioning. And there are some kind of company who they are handing to the employees and giving freedom to them in order to take the decisions. In this way also, some kind of strategies are developed in the company, so that they have even grown very faster in financial market and performances. Okay, and coming to the competitive advantage. See, different company follows a different kind of competitive advantage kind of things. Some company will follow. So in the previous slide, like, wait, I'll show you. Okay, in previous slide, I told how to improve the company's financial and market performance, right? So in these companies' financial performance and financial market performance, the people are going to think in vast ways. The best strategy and does not suits or may not suits to the company, because there is a difference between best strategy and fit strategy. Best is can be applied to any type, any situation, but fit only when it is suitable to the company. See, there are different kinds of strategies that many companies will follow. Okay, what I am trying to say is simple. There are different kind of strategies that company follows. In that, only one will fit to the company. That is called fit strategy. Okay, best strategy, there are many, but it will fit only one. Okay, competitive advantage. Coming to the competitive world, There will be companies follows in different kind. As I said, they grows to the global ways productivity, and some will follow and mixed strategy that is very very narrow minded. I mean, like, not narrow minded, very narrow based form of concentration. They'll be concentrating only few kinds of customers. Okay, quality based, some may be if you think about the luxurious product, they will be facing about there are some kind of customers. Again, they, you are going to marketing, so don't go to marketing, don't think about the marketing. So let's take up here, and next slides will be talking about so many of subjects I'll post, so don't worry. So listen only, I mean, keep in mind only these points, okay? Don't divert, I know. And quality based production or distribution, okay? Production and distribution, they will be on bargaining, where bargaining comes into the mind, like raw materials you can negotiate, and I mean, like they'll be like bargaining. I mean, like some suppliers will ask to reduce the price. I mean, company will negotiate towards the suppliers to reduce the price. At this stage of bargaining, you can reduce the product price. In the same place, if cost reduces, price towards the, I mean, price that is output price towards the customers will also get reduces. That is where competitive advantage exists. Okay, strategy and quest for the competitive advantage. Okay, here is the action plans and all where the company follows. So let me say, but like let me go through the we guys can go through these points. See here, plan to gain sales market share with lower prices based upon the lower cost. This is the low cost strategy, completely low cost strategy, where you are reducing your product less than your competitors, and based upon the geographic markets. See, and the new product and market, geographic markets are to exist existing ones. Exist. Yeah, of course, new products and markets are can be segmented. STP analysis, like, and segmenting, targeting and positioning in marketing. Like the people before launching a product, they'll divide, like, based upon the segmentation, like this area, like particularly only this area. Then after that, segmenting the different kinds of geographical location, then they go for targeting, like I want to target only these kind of people. If you go for the Johnson and Johnson baby product, they are going to target only kind of baby products. They're not going broad. Yeah, they'll go but geograph, see, the difference between segment and targeting is, target, it will show only what kind of customers it's going to involve, but segment is based upon completely geographical, it is based upon the area in simple terms. Okay, and next, coming to emerging market opportunity. Yeah, obviously mergers, right? Mergers is going to happen in company, and nowadays recently IDBI Bank has got emerged. In order to overcome from the external threats, like policies, like government policies, like external threats, political, social, economical, technological, like all these pestle analysis, like external threats. In order to face this also can be good, I mean, like, this also can be overcome. Okay, and action to strengthen market standing and competitive by acquiring and merging with other companies. Yeah, obviously, action used, I mean, in this point shows that the competitiveness can be maintained by merging with other companies also, right? Obviously, if you merge with other companies, that is what it says in by above and down point. Okay, action used to manage other key activities. These key activities, different kinds of departments, right? Like R&D, financial, technological, I mean, like in innovation part, like Apple, there will be research and development and tech developers, software developers. So these people, they need to keep on analysis by themselves by every activity in order to keep in competitive advantage strength. Okay, Action to strengthen firm's bargaining position. Yeah, bargaining. See, always remember the term bargaining will be involved in mainly in suppliers and distributors. Okay, bargaining term is mostly used in these with these two people. Whenever, not only with those two people, you can, customers will also bargain towards the company, but company will argue with only suppliers or distributors. These two people are the major people which the company is going to bargain in order to reduce the cost of the this thing material. Okay, so coming to the examples, cost-based competitive advantage. First is cost-based. So the major thing is nowadays Walmart and Southwest Airlines are the best examples. See, you know Walmart, right? They are best market that trending now in US. So first, for every 1.5 miles there are Walmarts because of best cost provider also. If you come down, aiming to offer low best price for differentiated goods. So see, if you see the fourth point and first point, Walmart is